The way them girls are nice and pretty, full of witty and gritty, me I gotta put them on me bookshelf, yes. Them girls are nice and pretty, full of witty and gritty.
One way.
Been a long time.
I know. Sacrifice.
Wagwan.
You know what I'm here, man. Haitian food's better.
Well, we got patties.
One way.
Not patty too.
Okay, alright. Well, we started down with the Coco Rico.
One way.
Pick up the thing. Cola champagne, soda, drink it, quench your thirst. Get the real cola champagne.
One way.
See the difference between my one and your one? It's just better. You're on a bottle. You dash that way. Non-recyclable, you hear that?
We got the champion Cola soda.
One way.
D&J, soda again.
I got the real pineapple, man. Chupina.
One way.
Good stuff.
J.U. Pina.
We have the rest stripe. Beer. Drink it. Last one. We don't deal with no minute, man.
Alright, enough with the play, alright? Real man stuff. Prestige is prestige.
One way.
Best stuff out.
We have plantain chips.
Chips. Huh? Something fast.
Hey, y'all got plantain chips too?
Yo, wait. Hey, Nick. Alright. Big stuff, huh? What's up?
One
Got
way.
this?
One
Huh?
way.
What's
One
up?
way. One way. One way.
D Blunt. What's that right there? Bun on pezzy on the side. Peeply main course.
We ain't gonna talk about the salad. Nobody eat that.
Nobody eats salad.
There it is. Yeah.
Show 'em.
Open it. We have the rice. We have the curry goat. We have the vegetable. We have the plantain. A goodness that, you know. Goodness that. Bumbuckler. Salute to the Jamaican then.
Bring out the secret weapon.
We'll do this.
Take it out. Take it out.
One way. One way. One way. One way.
Done.
One way. One way. One way. One way.
That's legging right there. That's leg. It's another thing. What are you doing?
Tired of this. Tired of this. Tired of this. Yo. Pick up. Pick up.
Make him see the property where my mess and up a
Work from your stop! Work! Go on! Go on! I'm not one of the your legumes, your pickles,
we're something tight and make it easy and pass this gas. Why him and make sure him
your people don't want
I don't care. I don't give a damn. I don't give a shit. Don't come after me. Fanatic, you're a man.
You got legume?
Leggings?
Yeah. Alright, can I get like 10 of that? You got grill too? You got grill? Yeah.
That's what it was. That's what it was.
Alright, can I get some legume, some grill? I want some pickles.
It's gotta be quick though.
Good.
Yeah.
How long does that take?
About 10 minutes.
10 minutes? Alright. We'll come back, okay?
We'll be outside, okay?
You never saw me. I was never here.
Okay. Yan se voy, se soy sure say I'm a nice guy. Se voy, se soy sure say I'm gonna be back.
Rice and peas.
No, it was cabbage.
Curry goat. Rice and peas.
With goat. Curry goat.
Chicken. It was like green. It was amazing. It was.
Hurry up. Just give me everything on the menu. Everything on your menu. Give me it all. Okay. Give me everything.
Okay. Everything. Just go in the back.
How long does it take? How long does it take?
20 minutes.
Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Jamaican patties?
When him took you on a trip to Missouri, yan se voy, se soy sure say I'm a nice guy. When him make your skin dry, se voy, se Say